I grew up here in Southern Illinois, and I've always appreciated the access that we have. A lot of us do appreciate the nature, and I know a lot of people who love it here and use the environment every day.
Having the ability to just like have all this nature in our backyards, like being in a small town, is just amazing. And it's just like something that I really appreciate, like especially living in a small town where there isn't that much to do. You always have nature to rely on, which is true about like any place, but like it's super nice for Southern Illinois in my opinion.
Not everyone has such a beautiful place to be, and a lot of people have never experienced anything like we have here in Southern Illinois.